There may be no function of your body more vital for good health than your immune system. It determines your ability to fight infections, diseases, and the degenerative effect of aging. Immunotech, a pioneering biotech company, uncovered a stunning discovery: a little-known protein contained in all human cells that may contain the secret of immune response, even anti-aging. The secret factor is a biomolecule called glutathione. Glutathione, present in every cell in your body, is vital for good health and considered to be the master antioxidant. It was first discovered by a French researcher in 1888, but its true breakthrough potential wasn't revealed until the researchers at Immunotech discovered an isolate that regulates glutathione levels and promotes immune-enhancing activity. Their research, supported by numerous studies since, revealed that glutathione plays a key role in anti-aging at the cellular level. Glutathione is essential for energy, preservation of youth, and most importantly, a healthy immune system. It's the closest thing to the fountain of youth ever discovered. In fact, there is irrefutable scientific correlation between aging and reduction of glutathione in the cells. Glutathione is nature's way to slowing down the aging process and maintain vibrant health. Glutathione is required for dozens of vital roles in your metabolism. Here are 4 key areas. 1. Glutathione is the master antioxidant produced by your body. 2. Glutathione keeps your immune system strong.
The immune system is incredibly complex. But one of the things that is well established is that the immune system cannot function well without the presence of glutathione. And glutathione is literally food for your immune system.
3. Glutathione is vital for detoxification of your body. 4. Glutathione keeps your power plant generating. As you age, your glutathione levels go down, and other factors like oxidative stress and bad diets can mean your body is unable to produce a good glutathione biosynthesis. And unfortunately, glutathione cannot be supplemented in pill or tablet form. These pills and tablets are broken down in your digestive tract, and very little, if any, of the glutathione reaches your cells where it's needed. To raise glutathione levels effectively, your body needs precursors. Precursors are building blocks. In scientific terms, precursors are organic compounds preceding another in a metabolic pathway. In layperson's terms, think of it like this: flour, eggs, and butter are precursors for baking a cake. As another example, most people think carrots contain vitamin A. That's not quite right. In actuality, carrots contain beta-carotene, which is a precursor that allows your body to create vitamin A. The researchers at Immunotech cracked the code with a natural source of glutathione precursors. By delivering this delicate protein to the cell, it enables your body to increase the glutathione in your cells and optimize immune system levels. This is an amazing scientific breakthrough with life-changing potential. Using this research, the scientists at Immunotech produced the proprietary ImmunoCal supplement line. This includes the flagship supplement ImmunoCal, which almost everyone can benefit from. There is also ImmunoCal Platinum, which contains extra ingredients to reduce inflammation and support the strength of bones as we age. Your body is comprised of trillions of cells. When those cells are healthy, you feel better, look younger, and may live a better quality of life. If they're not healthy, you have less energy, age quicker, and can experience degenerative diseases caused by oxidative stress. In its simplest terms, when you have low glutathione levels, your cells cannot perform many of their functions properly. ImmunoCal provides the precursors in a way your body can assimilate and process them, so it can maintain optimal levels of glutathione production. Healthy cells equal a healthy you.
I've been taking ImmunoCal for the last 4 years and the ImmunoCal booster just the last 6 months, which I think has been a great addition to my smoothies. I truly believe ImmunoCal has helped keep my immune system stronger and allowing me to train more consistently and perform better.
The ImmunoCal supplements contain a unique specially formulated natural protein that has been clinically demonstrated to help maintain a strong immune system. Supply the rare building blocks or precursors for your cells to make glutathione. Include all the essential amino acids required by your cells and tissues. Contain the highest biological value, or BV. Helps increase muscle strength and performance when combined with regular exercise. Assist in the building of lean muscle when combined with regular training and a healthy, balanced diet. Help build and repair body tissues and build antibodies. Are a source of essential amino acids for the maintenance of good health. Supply other peptides important for many aspects of your health and are backed up by more than 45 years of research supporting the science, including 78 patents and more than 80 research studies. Immunocal is the most important supplement you will ever take. Order a box today.